How to add Torrentio on Stremio. And if you want to add Torrentio on your Stremio, then what you need to do is first open up your browser, and then you just need to simply go with the search and search for Stremio.com. And here you just need to simply go with the Windows download and start Stremio download. So till it downloads, what you need to do is again go with a new tab, and under new tab you just need to simply go with the search and search for torrentio.steam.fun/configure and hit the enter, and it will take you to this kind of interface. And you just need to simply go with install. Click on install, which is on the bottom, and make sure to install the Stremio and also the Torrentio. And once you've installed both of that, then an interface will appear where you will be asked if you want to install these applications or these things. So you just need to simply go with install, and once you've installed, then your Torrentio will be added on your Stremio automatically. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.